Refractive error is the inability of the eye to be able to see clearly either at far or at near. So the types of refractive errors are hyperopia, that is farsightedness, and then myopia, short-sightedness. We also have astigmatism. So in most cases, someone is not able to see clearly at far, and that's what we say that the person is short-sighted. So for such a person, we dispense minus lenses to help the person to be able to see clearly at far. Now, someone is also far-sighted when the person is only able to see at far, but then looking at things near is quite difficult. Yeah, so that person is far-sighted, so we dispense plus lenses to help the person see clearly at far. The need for IQ devices are not to replace the work of an optometrist, but is only here to supplement and to complement the work of the optometrist. There are places where there are no eye care centers at all, and then for such places, there'll be a high demand of refractive errors, or there'll be a high prevalence of refractive errors and visual impairments at large. So with the invention of these devices, they only come to help in screening programs where we can quickly assess the visual function of a patient, and then from there, if there's a need for comprehensive eye exam, we refer them to eye centers for thorough examination. Our patient here is self-refracting, so the principle is that as she looks through the eyepiece, she's able to adjust the distance between the targets, and then as they get closer or they get far apart, the device estimates the refractive error that she has, and then equally estimates the refractive correction that she will need. Right, so it holds it in place, and then we can start. Okay, so the patient looks through the eyepiece here, and then as you look through, there are a series of targets in there that you swipe in the direction. So it works with the tumbling E optotypes. So you just swipe in the direction of each of the optotypes as you use it. So the IQ Insight assesses the patient's visual acuity, contrast sensitivity, and color vision.
Albert and his colleagues decided to find out how IQ Insight and IQ PVT compare with standard procedures used in assessing visual functions in Ghanaian adults. IQ Insight was more reliable than IQ PVT. The study, published in the Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science Journal, found.
For the IQ Insight, we can say that it is as accurate as the standard logMAR chart would also give in terms of visual acuity assessment. The results compared to subjective refraction by an optometrist wasn't as close as we expected. Yeah, but in some cases where there are high demand for correction of refractive errors, there's the hope that this device can give an estimate of the error that the person has, and then from there we can build up to correct it by subjective refraction.